might have seen famous scratchers like Lil Wham, Wazoo TV, heck, even Suli Suli, and wondered how did they get famous. So in this video, I'll show you how to become more like these people. As you might know, I have about 900 followers on my account, not to be flexing or anything, and I've been scratching for well over 8 years now. I've seen trends go and die. I've seen scratchers rise to fame, and I've also seen the destruction of this programming website from the beginning. It all started when Scratch was first created, in 2007. Actually, let's not go back that far. I'll start with the trending page. If you don't know Scratch, the trending page is basically a section of the website where projects that are currently popular are displayed. You can get to this page by going to the home page and then clicking on Explore. You can see all the sections of the trending page, like animations, art, and the game section. People use this page when they're bored and they don't know which projects to view. I know what you're thinking now. How do I get on this page? If there's a YouTube algorithm, a TikTok algorithm, there should be a Scratch algorithm, right? Well, you are not wrong. I'll show you some patterns that will be helpful in getting your project on the Explore page. First, you need to get your project popular. Once you share your project and get about 1,000 views in the first day, that's an excellent sign that your project is full on its way to being on the Explore page. Secondly, hashtags will allow you to target your project towards a certain Explore page. That means if you hashtag your project animations, for example, people who like animations will be more likely to view your project. However, if you use tags in an annoying way, such as spamming every category, and even some that don't even exist, that really won't work. In fact, it might even work against you, as putting your project in all categories will be generalizing the people that view it. Third, you should add your projects to as many related studios as possible to reach more of an audience. People viewing that studio will see your project and will be more likely to view it. A pretty talked about subject on Scratch is that using hashtags all will put your project on the all section. But that really doesn't work because the all section, as you guessed it, is all of the popular projects when they're not sectioned off into their own categories. Most of the mediocre and sometimes downright awful projects that go on the Explore page, such as generic platformers, clickbait projects, and more, they just got lucky with the algorithm enough that they got on the trending page. Don't get desperate and advertise your project on other trending projects. All that'll do is get reported, and you could end up on the Scratch hit list, or even worse, banned. The last thing I can do to help you on your journey of Scratch fame is to make a good thumbnail. You want your project to stand out on the Explore page and not be drowned out by all of the terrible projects. So when making your thumbnail, don't try to fill it up with everything in your game. Here's a tip. Use 3 of the most used things in your game, usually your player, an enemy, and a goal. If you have enough space after, you can put a logo. For example, for my game Bouncy Heroes, I only have 6 things on the screen. My player, the enemies, which are those 2 rockets, the background, and a small logo which is positioned in the left bottom of the screen. You don't want to confuse a potential viewer because they have no idea what's going on. Make your text big and bold and stand out from the background. White, black, and orangish yellow are good starting colors for your fonts. And after you make the thumbnail, make sure to smash the share button and see whether you'll be lucky enough to get on the Explore page. And remember, it takes some time. It took me 6 years on my other account to get up to 9,000 followers. Don't get frustrated because your project won't blow up right away. Be sure to be patient and stay focused. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to smash subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you in another video.